Would you like to discover an ancient art that relaxes, inspires, and is super easy to learn? Today I'll tell you what crochet is, its benefits, and why you should start. What is crochet? Crochet is a knitting technique that uses a single hook needle. It is used to intertwine threads and create pieces of fabric or accessories. Unlike knitting with two needles, here you work stitch by stitch, bringing garments, decorations, and much more to life. Quick history. Crochet gained popularity in Europe in the 19th century. Since then, it has evolved from a domestic skill to an art form that connects millions of people around the world. Benefits of crochet. Now, let's talk about the benefits that crochet can bring to your life. 1. Reduces stress and anxiety. 2. Improve your concentration and memory. 3. Stimulate your creativity. 4. Social connection. 5. Personal satisfaction. Why begin today? Getting started is easier than you think. All you need is a needle, thread, and a strong desire to learn. You can knit anywhere, it's inexpensive, and it helps you disconnect from everyday stress. Let's get to work and weave your creativity.